Ways to build traffic and boost your income with affiliate marketing. Keeping on expanding your knowledge about affiliate marketing, there's no shame in learning new tips. You never know what little things you might learn that you can apply to your affiliate marketing goals, and from there the possibilities are endless. So watch this video that has a lot of tips to assist you in affiliate marketing. When selecting an affiliate marketing program, make sure to consider the needs of your site's audience. You want to select a product that is relevant to your readers, otherwise it will make you appear like a con artist that is just after their money. Focus on your niche market and recommend only products and services that are relevant to them, and they will be more likely to follow links and buy. Make sure that the affiliate links on your site are related to the subject of your site. For example, if your blog is about sports, your customers want sports-related products. Unless your link is sports-related, inserting an affiliate link won't benefit you. Readers are unlikely to click on a link if it does not offer relevant or interesting information. Use long-tail keywords to promote your affiliate marketing product. To do this, search for your product using Google's free keyword tool. Choose keywords that have a moderate following, as opposed to those that attract millions of hits. By doing this, you will reduce your competition and have a better chance of getting higher search engine rankings. It is important to know that with affiliate marketing, you are not required to make your own products. Instead, you'll be helping to sell another person's product. Knowing this is important because you can make just as money by selling someone else's product as you could if you were selling your own. A great affiliate marketing tip is to always read the fine print before you join any affiliate marketing program. If something sounds too good to be true, it probably isn't. Don't let yourself get distracted by bonuses or flashy offers. Always read the fine print before you make a decision. Knowing and reaching your target audience is extremely important to increasing your profit. If your products are cheap, you can get away with a lot of volume and low visitors. However, products that require a significant investment from the customer will need more targeted strategies. In these cases, you want to have a high sales conversion rate per visitor. If you work full-time, make sure that you set an hour or two at night to devote specifically towards affiliate marketing. Working while at your organization is very tough, and will reduce the quality that you put into your work. Give 100% of your attention towards the task at hand for optimal results. So make sure you remember all of the knowledge you just learned so you can apply it to your affiliate marketing goals. If you have any friends that might benefit from this knowledge, you might want to share this with them as well. If you help someone out, they might do the same one day. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google Indie ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, You will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.